Hello guys, thank you for watching. Today we are back at the same spot again, and this time we are going after crappie. And this is my second time I come back to this spot because last time I caught some big crappies here. So hoping today might be a good day, might be a bad day, I'm not sure. So stay tuned. And the bait I'm using in this video is the bigger 2 inches mermaid tail. And thank you all for your support. If you guys want to order combo baits, please check the link in the description. And thank you for support. Please stay tuned to see all the catches. What's the bubble behind here? What is like some other spider, big mama spider. But who cares? I'm gonna catch a fish though. Leave me alone, spider. Fish on, guys. Lost it. So I don't know how big it is, but the fish on. Fish on, guys. I don't know what it is. Small one. Okay. Oh God, it's gonna be tough, guys, to get the fish up there. It's not easy, okay? So look at that fish. That's what I'm wearing. Look at that. The belly was fat. Got fat belly. All right, so I'll try it home. I need some. Look at the fish. See? It's a big one or a small one? Same fish guy. Maybe I don't want to let it go, I don't know. Okay, so need a shorter rod to fish around here. Look at the same fish, look. Okay. Oh, look at that, guys. So, I don't know, man. I'm going to have a hard time. See, I hope make the spider don't try to eat me alive. Okay. I need a 5 pounder somewhere around here. One. Look like no one fish here except me the first time here. There's another fish. Oh my God! Look at that. Okay. There's another fish, guys. So like 3 casts, 3 fish. But I'm happy to catch me a fish though. That's all. Okay. Get bigger now. Look at that. Look at it. I don't have to hook it. I just when I feel biting, this green pumpkin. Okay, I just make a line tight. That's it. Cause come on, man. Same spot all the time. Fish on, guys. I don't know what it is. Bass again. I don't know why they're all small one here. Okay. I need a kayak down here one day. It's for low, so hoping we'll be okay. Let me try to take you out. They're all fat, these fish. I mean, I don't know, guys. Like, they're all fat. I mean, this one will be dead though, I think. Feel sad for them. Fish on, guys. Look like not a big one here. I don't know. That's all I can catch later, guys. So cannot blame me, okay? Ooh, that's a big crappie though. That's a slab. That is a slab. I told you. I just said that I'm gonna catch a big crappie there. Okay. I might could take it home, this one. Okay, so that is a big crappie though. Okay, look at that. Okay, look at the bait. It's a green chartreuse with the white 1/8 ounce jig head, guys. So I'm gonna bleed this fish too. I don't know, man. Should I keep them or no? No, that's okay. I'll let it go. Because I don't have anything to put though. Because number one, I don't want to. When I got home, the fish can be rotted. So now replace it. This is a green pumpkin guy. Seemed to be really amazing, and I'm using the same jig head. Is a white 1/8 ounce jig head with the. This is 2 inches, big mermaid tail, but I don't like that. Okay, but it still works though. Okay? You can catch a lot of fish with this. Okay, but I want longer and more flexible here. So I just drop it like that, and bam. Just caught a big mama crappie. See? Gone. It's going gone. I know it's a crappie here. It's going gone. See? Gone. Holy shit. Got a problem now with that snag though. I know they're in there, but it's just like the wrong color. Not that deep either over there. See those? Oh my god, oh my god, what's that? What is that? What is that? Sheephead, I think. Yeah, sheephead. Oh, I told you sheephead. I don't know why they're here too. Oh god. The way it pulled, I know it's sheephead. Oh, my cell phone is over there. Okay guys, so here you stop. I'll take you home, eat you like potato head chip. Oh, leave me alone, I think. See? I don't know why they're here, honestly. Alright guys, so under the bridge. Oh, see? It's a crappie, told you that. I'm switching from the bigger jig head to the smaller one. So this is a pink and pearl 1/16 ounce jig head with the orange mermaid tail. This is 2 inches mermaid tail, guys. So I'm trying to target the bluegills too and crappies. Oh my god. Oh my god. See guys, they disappear about 10 hours and then they come back. And we caught one too for crappie. Yeah. Big enough to keep or no? Small. We're gonna keep some crappie here, but it's just so thirst to bring the fish in, guy. Look at that. It's a longer rod. This is 8-6 rod. And look at the fish. We are fishing under the bridge. We don't know where we are right now, guys. 30-pound bass. Oh, come on. I need like 5 pounds, 4 pounds here. 2, 3 is all I need to make it up, you know, to catch a small one there. See that? You see it? See it? See it? See it? That's a big crappie there. Let's take the bigger one. Look. Here. Want to keep it? Hey, put it in that. Quick, quick, there.
So far away.
Just quick. Let me show them the world. Show the world first. And I caught a big crappie. Put the bigger jig. They probably see better. I don't know. Look at that. Probably 9, 10 inches. We're gonna keep them. If we got 30, that's a good deal. Okay. Look at that. Oh, here. Watch. See? What's that? That's a big crappie again. Crappie. See that? I had a hard time getting them because my line, my rod is too yummy, too big. I think it's a keeper, but I think it's not that really. See that notice keep biting. I know that. Okay, but that's 9 inches though. That's illegal to keep, but we don't know. See, now the crappies are okay, so it's really tough to get the fish because what happened here, it's under the bridge somewhere in America, catching crappie and everything else except the walleye and steelhead. But that's okay. Let's fish in the front a little bit and then go to fishing pier. Caught him again. That's a crappie. I told you don't mess up with me. Okay, crappie. Alright, the rod is too heavy. Too heavy. It's too long. And this is how the crappie caught today. Switching like crazy. Okay. And they suspended on the top of the. Suspended on top. They were suspended below the surface. About 5-10 inches after the, I don't know what I say, honestly.